Summertime is just around the corner, and that means family reunion time. What a great way to increase your business by designing for family reunion apparel. To do that, visit transferexpress.com, log into your account with your dealer ID and password, and then start designing in EasyView. Once your EasyView Online Designer is open, you can either add a layout from the idea book and enter in family reunion. Now you can select from many different options we have to offer for creating your customer's favorite family reunion shirt. Once you've selected the layout that you like, it'll automatically load within the EasyView Online Designer screen. Now pay attention to those gray perforated lines. That is the sheet size that you have to work with. So make sure that you keep within those edges. What you're going to want to do to change the information in here is just click on the text. So rather than Compton Family Reunion, we want it to say Reilly Family Reunion. So we just go ahead and select that, go over to the text box, and type in Reilly in place of Compton and click OK. You now see that that changes in the design screen. Within the tree, you can see that it has many places for names. To change it from name to the actual name, just go ahead and click on Name. Once you see the green perforated dots and triangles around that text, go to the left-hand side, click inside of the text box, delete Name, and go ahead and enter in the names of the Reilly family. And click OK. Select each name and enter in the names that you need to show. Need to add another name, but there's not another space? You can go ahead and select a name. Once the green dots are around the name, go ahead up to Object, click on Object, click on Duplicate, and now it's going to add an additional name for you. Now that you've duplicated that text box, go ahead and click on it and drag and drop that name to another area of the design. Go over to the text box on the left, delete the original name, and add in a new name. If you'd like to change the font style, all you would need to do is click on the text that you would like to change, go to the left-hand side where it says Edit Text, select from the font drop-down menu what you would like the new font to be. Now as you look at this and you wonder to yourself, how big is that? If you select the entire image, on the left hand side you can see that the size is 11 inches wide by 10.99 inches tall. That is a standard adult size. Now we'd like to put this on the back of our shirt garment, but we'd like to have a front left chest as well. So we're going to go ahead and while this entire image is selected, move it all the way to the left-hand side of your sheet size. Remember to stay within those perforated lines because that is where your paper will end. Now we have all this space on the right-hand side where you'll be able to add a left front chest piece. Since we like this clip art that's part of the full back design, we can go ahead and click on that clip art and then go up to Object and select Duplicate. Now we've duplicated that object and we can go ahead and click on the new one and move it over to our open space. We can see here that on the left hand side it shows us the size is 2.73 inches wide by 1.48 inches tall. This lockbox here lets us know that when that's locked, as long as we change either the width or the height, the image will stay proportionate because that little lock is locked. So instead of 2.73 inches wide, we'd like to make this 4 inches wide. So we're going to change 2.73 to 4 and hit OK. And then we can see proportionately that changes it to 2.17 inches tall. Now we know we need to stay within our dotted line, so we're going to go ahead and take this circle arrow, click on that, and rotate our image sideways. Now we have the opportunity to put this along the side, and we can again duplicate this image to put another one on there as well, so that now you can also order matching hats. And per transfer sheet, you're going to get the full back, the left front, and a hat clip art. And that is how you can design and create your own family reunion transfers.
At Stahls TV, we're always creating new videos and live classes to help your business stay on top in the competitive, decorated apparel world. So we don't want you to miss a thing. So click here to sign up for StahlsTV.com, where you'll get exclusive access to live videos, classes, and tools to help make your business more successful. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or here to view additional tips on the Stahls TV blog.